I think it's in focus, right? Do we need more?
Totally.
But less ISO. I'm gonna put. Alright, you ready to kill it? That's a yes. Alright. Ready? Hold on. Do you have a beer?
Do I have it?
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Right here. Good. Alright. Well, cheers. Let's fucking get it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you, dude, and then we make super awesome, like, funny songs and shit. And people want to have sex with us. Alright, here we go. So twice in, and then we'll get at it. Ready?
Yup.
Oh, we're like a duo. Okay, boom. Here we go. This is it, and I can't take no more. I wonder what God has in store for me, and you don't understand, but here I go. I'll tell you it's knocking on heaven's door, man. Another day didn't go my way. I get picked on every day. I'm fat, I'm skinny, no one loves me. And today is just one of those days. And this is it, and I can't take no more. I wonder what God has in store for me, and you don't understand, but here I go. I'll tell you who's knocking on heaven's door, man. Empty machine, life's mean. I didn't expect that. Where is my rent? Who are my friends? When did I get so complacent? And today is just one of those days. And this is it, and I can't take no more. God has in store for me, and you don't understand, but here I go. I'll tell you who's knocking on heaven's door, man. Oh, my insecurities, oh, they get the best of me. Oh, why? Freestyle Monday. Oh, bye. I mean, I think we're feeling it though.
Oh yeah, fucking killed it.
I think you killed it.
No, we killed it.
No, I think for your first, for like our first time playing together. Hold on. I want to make sure the world sees my haircut. Wait, yours too. Hold on. It does. What'd you say?
Said your head looks like a penis.
It doesn't look like a penis. Okay, it looks like a haircut. You look like a penis. If you could say I love you in sound, what would it sound like?
It would take me a lot of minutes to
Just do it right now
to
in
express,
20
but something
seconds.
Like,
I love you, bitch. Get it. God. Oh. Oh.
you always have to end sweet.
I just kissed that in. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm done.